Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be teaching you guys how to do is how you can actually restore or continue working on an Instagram Reels draft. It's quite easy and quite simple, so let's get right into it. So what you want to do to continue working on a draft is enter the reel creation window. You can do this by clicking on the plus in the middle of the bottom middle of the screen, or by dragging your finger to the right, and you will arrive here. Originally it'll be on story, but you want to select reels, of course. And what you want to do now is to actually click on the bottom left. As you can see, there's this plus icon. Your drafts will be stored there. Just click on that and you can see the drafts icon in the top. Click on that and you will see all your drafts. If you uninstall, as you can see, your reels will be lost. However, just click on a draft and you will enter the editing process again. To edit it again, click the edit button in the top right. Then you can do whatever you want, add any effects, let's say aqua glitter, just for whatever reason. You can download the reel you've created, add a sticker. Let's click, I don't know, the slider, and just, do whatever it is you want to do, add whatever you want to do, add text, add music, so on and so forth. Click next, and now here you can set up everything else, write a caption, tag people, or even make it schedule it to come out later, which I have explained how to do in another tutorial. And yeah, that's everything you can do, and that's pretty much everything I have to tell you guys about actually using your drafts. Once you click share, it'll be shared, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.